6:16 a.m. and I'm off to work. I have to be early when it comes to office days because I have to fight for a parking slot. So I always leave early when it's office days. So bye. Hi guys, today is January 31. It's 2:44 p.m. I'm on my way to Eastwood. I'm actually gonna meet Jet later in Opus. I'm gonna go to Eastwood first because I have to buy clothes for our Thanksgiving party that's happening on Monday.
Hi! Iinom ng Nutella, ganun leche. Ang sarap di promise.
Anong name?
Orderin mo na kayo. At kuya, sobrang sarap din.
Ba't hindi mo mahanap?
Kasi nga hindi naman dito yun.
So today
Oh,
we're gonna taste pachi.
ganon.
Dito mong pakinig.
Bubuksan natin ito. Oh! Oh!
So this one is the first flavor. We don't know which is which.
Yeah. Ay, hindi. Oo, tama. Mag-taste test tayo.
I forgot ano yung mga flavor na kinuha. This looks like dark chocolate.
Ito naman white. Ang boring niya.
Pangit niyan.
Ito yung orange.
Ayoko niyan. I don't like orange.
Dark orange siya.
Pwede
Masarap
to.
naman, no? Yeah.
It has wafer and cream.
Yeah.
This one is pistachio and sea salt.
The best to. Ang sarap.
Winner.
Okay.
Tingin mo sa akin, parang ako gumawa.
So, masasuggest ko ba?
No.
Don't buy it.
No, winner.
Pero except dito,
I like this.
the best yan. Isipin mo, 2,000 binibenta tong si Chip.
Wala na siyang dumi. Wala, ang cute niya.
Diba?
May
Leo
sipon
yan.
siya.
May sipon nga siya. Diba?